At the Cross. That's one of the beautiful songs we do most Sundays when we do communion. And I love playing this song. But what I want to share with you today is the progression. And it's great to know the song, but it's better to know the progression because not only can you use it to play that particular song, but you can play many different songs by understanding the chords, okay? So what is a progression? It's just a group of chords played consecutively. So instead of just playing one chord and stop, we're playing different chords, okay? Let's go over those particular chords in that song, okay? Then when I start, and I'm playing in the key of C. When I start with an F triad, then a G triad, and then a C major triad, okay? Then I'm going to the F again, first inversion, I should say. Then back to the C, then to the G, okay? And then I do a hammer on because I want to keep the melody in the song. So I'm playing the 6 and then back to the triad, the G triad. Then I'm going from the G to an A major triad. Then I'm going to the 4, which is the F. See that? And then to the 1. And then when I get to the 1, I'm doing the melody. I'm playing on the B string on the 5th fret. And then I'm going to the 6th. And then to the 8th. So it's... Then I'm going back to the 4, which is the F. And then I'm playing a D minor 7. Then playing a C to the 1, C again. Then I'm playing an E7 chord. Then a minor 7 chord. Okay. Then I'm going to F6 chord. That's the F6 because we're playing the F triad. Then we add in the 6. Then playing that F triad and flattening the 5th. So it's then playing that F because we're playing that melody out. F, E, then we're playing the D, then back to the C. So it sounds like okay. So now we have those chords. So even if I played in another key, right? And I just wanted to use the 6 chords. So I'm playing a D, a A6, a G6, like the song Lord Prepared Me. So so understand that no matter what the chord is, it's more important to understand the progression and how to play the progression and use it in different situations. So just check that out. So learn these chords and take them and figure out other songs that you can play.